learning the Accelerator Hub, it's so much better than learning in previous environments. Sitting in a classroom and feeling like you're back in school again doesn't provide me with much creative freedom as a person. I like to be in a more lax environment and feel the freedom to engage with the content as opposed to feel forced to learn the content. So in an environment like this, it's made a huge difference to my learning experience within not only Nissan but previously as well. Having the different environments within the same room makes a huge difference to how you can learn. So although you have a classroom environment where everybody's sat and is paying attention to a presentation, there's the ability to come and sit here where it's a bit more comfortable. You can have more of a, say, powwow with your colleagues and share experiences and learn from each other. Then we have VR, which is more interactive. You get your hands on and you learn through that means. And then obviously the tables behind me where you can be a bit more, not going to say secluded, but it allows you to focus more individually on your work. Our tutors worked in many different sectors, but having experiences from all those sectors shows how much other companies can sort of bring different things to the table and allow you to take those back to your workplace. So what is best practice for company A might fit perfectly within C and D, for example. So being able to take that wealth of knowledge and sort of mould it to your own personal case is going to be useful going back to work.